TaurusDB Enterprise Edition is an enterprise-grade cloud-native database, fully compatible with MySQL. It decouples storage from compute and uses Huawei-developed data function virtualization (DFV), which enables it to scale up to 128 terabytes per instance. A failover can be completed within seconds. It provides the superior performance and high availability of a commercial database at the price of an open-source database. TaurusDB provides serverless instances. You can tailor compute resources for your serverless instance as needed. This video shows how to buy and log in to a serverless instance. The procedure is as follows. Step 1. Buy a serverless instance. Step 2. Log in to the serverless instance. Step 3. Check the login results. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console and choose Databases is more than TaurusDB. On the Instances page, click Buy DB Instance. On the displayed Custom Config page, set billing mode to Serverless. Serverless instances are only available in some regions. For details, see the official documentation. Serverless is a billing mode where instance capacity automatically changes based on application requirements. You can start using the instance first and then pay as you go. Set DB engine version. Only TaurusDB v2.0 is supported. Set creation method to create new. Set DB instance type. A cluster instance built on a serverless basis can contain one primary node and up to 7 read replicas. The primary node processes read and write requests, but read replicas process only read requests. If the primary node becomes unavailable, TaurusDB automatically fails over to a read replica. Set AZ type and AZ as required. Set compute range. TCU is the billing unit of serverless instances. By default, each instance contains one primary node and multiple read replicas. You can create up to 8 nodes at a time. Storage will be scaled up dynamically based on how much data needs to be stored. It is billed hourly on a pay-per-use basis. TaurusDB provides free backup space equal to the amount of your used storage. After the free backup space is used up, you will be billed for the additional space on a pay-per-use basis. Transparent data encryption. TDE uses certificates for real-time IRO encryption and decryption on data and backup files. This function effectively protects your databases and data files. If you enable TDE, select an encryption algorithm as required. TDE cannot be disabled once being enabled. Cross-region backup is unavailable for instances with TDE enabled. TaurusDB automatically allocates a VPC, subnet, and security group. You can also create a VPC, subnet, and security group. After a TaurusDB instance is created, the VPC cannot be changed. Set DB instance name and administrator password. Select an enterprise project and a parameter template. A parameter template contains engine configuration values that can be applied to one or more DB instances. Set case sensitivity for table names. The default value is case insensitive. This option cannot be changed later. The tag parameter is optional. Adding tags to instances helps you better manage them. After configuring the parameters, click Next. Review the instance configuration. If it looks correct, click Submit. On the Instances page, you can see the purchased serverless instance. The permissions required for remotely connecting to instances have been enabled for you by default. Using DAS to connect to your instance is recommended. It is a more secure, more convenient option. On the Instances page, locate the instance and click Log in the Operation column. Enter the database username and password and click Test Connection. After the connection test is successful, click Login. Click Create Database on the home page, enter the database details, and click OK. Database test is used as an example. After the database is created, You can view it in the database list. Locate the database and click Create Table in the Operation column. On the Basic Information tab, set the required parameters. Click Next and enter column information. Click Create. In the SQL Preview window, check the SQL statements for creating a table and click Execute. After the SQL statements are executed, you can view the created table in the object list. In the row containing the test database, click Query SQL Statements in the Operation column. In the displayed SQL execution window, write several data records to Table 1. Run a SQL statement to check whether there is data in Table 1. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.